Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's Einstein activity says a numerical code has 3 unique odd digits that sum to 11. The number is larger than 400 but smaller than 730. What is the number? Well, the problem tells us that the number consists of 3 unique odd digits. Well, all my single digit odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So I know that a combination of 3 of those digits is what's going to make our number. Another important clue they let us know is that the number falls between the range of 400 and 730. So that means we have numbers in the 400s, 500s, 600s, and 700s that we need to consider. Well, right off the bat, I know I can cross off 400s and 600s because the 4 and the 6 are both even digits, so they can't be a part of our number. So by doing this, we're able to better narrow down what our number is. Now, when I consider all of the numbers that it could possibly be that fall in the 500s, I'm going to start with the 5 and I'm going to add 2 more numbers that make our number add up to 11 because, of course, that was one of the other clues. The sum of the digits have to total 11. So when I think about that, I know that I can't add a 9 into any number in the 500s because 9 plus 5 is 14. So that's already too big. Then when I add the 5 to the 7, I get the number 12. And again, that's already too big. I can add a 5, which totals 10, and then a 1, except even that gets excluded because the first sentence lets me know that it needs to be 3 unique odd numbers. And so the 2 5s would be a repetition of the same number, so that doesn't work either. The only other option would be 5, 3, and 1, and they total 9, which is not enough. It needs to total 11. So this lets me know that our number is not going to be in the 500s because we've narrowed all of our possibilities down. Now onto our 700s column. Let's figure out what numbers that could possibly be. Again, if we add the 7 and the 9, we're going to deal with the number 16, which is higher than 11. So I already know that we can't use the digit 9 in any of the combinations. 7 and 7 would be a repetition, so we can't use that. 7 and 5 totals 12, and we still would need to add a whole nother digit. The smallest is 1. That would be 13, which is too much. So we're going to have to cross that off. We can add a 7, a 3, and a 1, and that gives us 11. However, it does exceed our upper limit, which was 730. So we go ahead and cross that off. And by default, we're just going to switch the 3 and the 1, and that means the answer has to be 713. So when you take the 7, the 1, and the 3 and add them together, you get 11. It is a combination of 3 unique odd digits, and it falls between 400 and 730. So the answer to today's Einstein activity is 713. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, here's tomorrow's Einstein activity. See if you can solve it before I do, then comment down below with what you think the answer is. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.